Today we will learn how to make the stem or leaf with different type of beads, or how to fill the different type of leaf with beads. Before I begin, I want to give the tip, like if you want to make all the leaf of identical shape, just take the cardboard and draw the leaf shape and just cut it, and after that keep it on the fabric and draw the leaf shape. Now we will make stem. This method can be used for making different type of border with beads. Come from last bead, like this. Now again repeat the same thing. Go behind this last like you're making running stitch. Add the bead again. With this method, we will just leave some gap and we will add bead like that. It will create a pattern like bead, no bead, bead, no bead, like that. Again, go to the fabric, make next running stitch, then again add the bead. Again go to the fabric, make next running stitch. We can make different type of boundaries or just neck design with this alternate bead no bead pattern. Just complete this pattern with this technique. I will fill the sleeve with sequin and seed bead. I'm going to use the golden sequin and turquoise seed bead. First we will make the border, after that we'll fill the center. So start from the one point of the leaf. Add one sequin and one seed bead. Just leave the seed bead and go to the sequence hole just to lock it like this. Again leave some distance, and after just attaching 2-3 sequins, you'll get idea how much distance must be left. If they are overlapping, then also it's okay, it will look better, and if they are on proper line, it is okay. Using this technique, fill the sleeve. Just notice this how I have filled the center. On the top of it, this is narrow space, so I have just stitched one sequin and one bead, and in the second row it is broad, so I have stitched 2 sequin. In center one, this is the broader, so I have stitched 3. So you have to arrange the sequin inside like that, and if there is gap left, so you can just fill it. If it is overlapping with other sequin, it is okay. Now we'll fill this sleeve. I'm using the normal embroidery leaf stitch for filling this. So I'll start from the top of it, and for making this I'm using blue colored and transparent seed bead. First I will add transparent seed bead, then small pipe bead, go to the right or left, Again, put one transparent seed bead and two small pipe seed bead. Go to the another side at the same level of this right one. Now follow the same process for filling this leaf. Now I will fill this leaf, and for that I am going to use golden pipe bead and yellow seed bead. I'll use the same pattern but with different beads. First add seed bead, one seed bead and one long pipe bead. You can draw a line in the center for your guidance. With same process and same method, and at the end we gonna add some seed bead in the center, just like boolean stitch. I have finished this leaf. If you want to keep it just like that, you just leave it like that. If you want to add like boolean stitch knot kind of thing, so you can just string all the seed bead and go on the top of it, just below the first pipe bead, and just attach the seed bead like that. Now we will make last one. For this leaf also I am going to use the same pattern but with different beads. Just start from the top and see the sequence of the adding the bead, like one seed bead, one pipe bead, and again one seed bead, like this. Use the same method as we used in previous leaf stitches, like this. Start from right or left and just repeat the same process. Again from the left side. Repeat the same process for finishing this leaf, and if you feel that this leaf is empty, you want to add something, so you can just add things like that in the center for just beautifying it. And for this leaf I'm using this one. You can just attach it with needle and thread in the center.